This 2022 Tesla Model Y is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Tesla is powered by all-wheel drive, automatic transmission, electric engine, and has 230 miles. Drive into the future. 2022 Tesla Model Y available, eco-friendly, stylish, and tech-savvy. Here are some of the features. Den radio suam. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.